Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by creating frames for desktop, tablet, and mobile. Choose realistic sizes. Set an 8pt base grid and a 12-column layout to control rhythm and alignment. This makes resizing predictable. Once done, pull in brand colors, type styles, and core components into assets so you reuse them. You're starting with constraints, not limitations, because predictable spacing and shared styles speed up responsive decisions later. Now build adaptive components using auto layout. Set padding, spacing, and define fixed versus hug content behaviors so elements grow sensibly. Use constraints, pin left, right, or scale, to control how each element reacts when a frame resizes. Create variants for responsive states like collapsed menus or stacked cards. This reduces duplicates. Once components are interactive, prototype across breakpoints to validate flow and reveal layout edge cases that only appear during real-size changes. Finish by composing final pages using your adaptive components and clearly annotate breakpoints. For example, 320, 768, and 1440 pixels, so developers know intent. Export icons and images at 2x or 3x. Choose SVG for vectors and PNG or WebP for photos. If layouts break on resize, inspect constraints and auto layout settings first. Then check nested component spacing. Often a single fixed-width child or inconsistent padding causes collapse. If needed, revert to the component master, adjust, and push updates.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.